tutorial I've shown you how you can remove screen and do other things. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove an inbuilt battery, both Nokia, iPhone, tablet, Android or whatever, without scratching the battery or without damaging the battery. The battery, as you see, if you don't take care, the battery may explode. Like if you short circuit the battery, it will explode or catch fire. So let me show you. This thing I'm holding now is screen touch touch digitalizer. I'm going to produce what I use and remove my inbuilt battery as a professional from this screen touch. You just get one. If you are a phone technician, you're supposed to have it. If you are not, you can get it from technicians. Please, you be careful this glass to avoid being hot. Be careful, remove all the glass. Please use hand glove. I'm a professional. That's why I see me doing it so easily. Use hand glove so that you will not get injured. And this I think a Techno D7 digital touch or IT 1701 or 1702, something of that nature. Once you remove the glass finish, you have something like paper. Look at it here. This is the glass. I'm going to throw it away. So this is like a paper. Make sure you remove all the glass from it. And this is the best thing you can use, both in separation. You remove the paper. This is the leather covering the front, because this one is new. Make sure you clean it very well. This is the best thing you can use to separate touch screen and other things. Make sure you clean it very well. And one thing about this, as you can see it, is sharp, but it hardly breaks screen or touch if you use it very well. So now this I think is Techno MI or Redmi P5 or something. Oh, Redmi Go. Yeah, this is Redmi Go. I want to remove the battery from Redmi Go. I don't know where it's going to. Why is answering Redmi Go? Just kidding. First of all, I will lose this place that where the lamp panel that house the mouthpiece or the mic as a professional, the charging port, the network connector, and the ringer. So I'll lose that. Careful while handling the phone so that you won't spoil it more. Remove it. I've done with this one. So the next thing is So remove this one as well. This particular solution is both for technician and non-technician. If you know this, you can safely remove your battery without any problem. And most of the time, if you use something that is hard to remove the battery, because the battery is soft, it might change the shape of the battery. But if you use this method I'm going to show you now, the battery shape will remain intact. Somebody won't even know that you lose the battery. Be careful while you're doing this. Avoid breaking something. I'm taking my time to do it. I can do it faster, but just to show you, it's done. It's not a rocket science. You follow it gradually. I've done removing it, so the next thing, unclip the battery. Remove the battery flash from the phone board. So now the real work starts. If you look at the phone, there's always something that look like a little bit seal. So if you want to use a flat screwdriver, just open it a little there, so that thing you remove from the touch will enter very well. Look at this now. This hardly damage anything, but you have to apply some force, because this thing look like leather or something of that nature. So continue going deep gently. It takes time. Exercise some little patience while you are doing it. Don't be in a hurry whenever you are working on any phone. Let me open it a little again. Make sure where you're tapping that is the area where there's some seed tape. If you are good in this, you don't even need to remove the cover of a dampener, and you do this perfectly. And sometimes what I do is I have to cut this in some shape, different shapes, so that I can use it. There's one of them that I've cut before. This one will apply some pressure on it. It will cut deeper. Remember, what you are trying to cut is the gum holding the battery to the board. Let me cut a little bit more again. Let me cut small piece and cut it in a triangular form. And when you use the little one, open it, you can now use the bigger one. Gently until you are close to the extreme. I'm still going deep and deep. You can see. Good. Done. Can easily remove the battery. This is intact and this one is intact. So the next thing we'll test whether our phone will come up. I just want to show you how you can remove the battery. As you can see, it's flat and nothing showed that you have taken out the battery. But if you don't do it this way, if you use screwdriver only or something else, it might end up damaging the battery or making the battery not to look straight. Now clip the battery back to the board or a panel then power up my phone. So that's coming on. So I didn't clip it very well. Oh, sorry, I didn't clip the power button. Yeah, we're good to go. Phone powered back. You can use that as well. And remove the screen and the touch. So this is it. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. Thank you.